What's your view on how markets are perhaps firming up for a Trump victory here?
Look, I think the markets very clearly are indicating that Trump is going to win. You have the overall market has acted quite well in the face of the uncertainty of the election. Now going through the earnings cycle, earnings haven't been blowout, but they've certainly been good enough. And always when you're at the top of market cycles and the top of the market index pricing, you always worry about big downward movements. I don't think you get huge breakouts, but you're worried about downward movements, which we haven't seen. And maybe for the first time in history, we actually have a stock that proxies Trump, and that stock is up 170% or 150% in the last couple weeks. So, people are voting with money right now, both in the stock market, the betting market, and in the individual stocks. So I think the market has kind of set its tone right now that they think Trump is going to win.
Brett, what are your thoughts on the long-term implications for U.S. fiscal policy and market stability, irrespective of who wins this election?
Look, I think that the fiscal side of any government right now is the thing that everyone needs to be focused on. If you look at China, with the bazooka on the financial side, it looks like it's maybe falling short. We've had kind of a decade or two of monetary policy leading the way in quite a heavy hand. I've talked more about the Fed than anything else on TV for the last 10, 15 years. The Fed is not supposed to be the driver of the market. So monetary policy should take a back seat to fiscal policy. The only thing that I would say in a Trump administration, I think you're going to get heavy monetary policy. Hopefully fiscal policy will be delivered in a meaningful way. I think I think everybody is kind of agreeing that things need to change politically in the U.S. There needs to be more across the aisle. And hopefully we can have some real give and take from the Republicans and the Democrats to get stuff across the line on the fiscal side. But I wouldn't expect anything major in the first year.